In this video, we're going to talk about how to do $10,000 a month with this AI ebook trick that's going to blow your mind. Let's dive in. So we're going to use this brand new software. So a little bit of background. I've already been doing this, but I was doing it when I had to create the ebooks. So it would take me forever to do it. With this new software that literally just dropped, like I think within the last week, I can now knock this out in 10 minutes. So on Amazon KDP, if you're not already familiar with this, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to use a combination of this tool, Ebook Writer AI, Kindle, Amazon KDP, and here's the back end of the software. So I just discovered this. It's just going to make what I was already doing unbelievably easy. I've already handed it over to my team, and they are going to absolutely do 5 figures a month with this strategy, and it'll just compound. So let me dive into it. I actually am going to do a separate video, probably one video that's a full review of Ebook Writer AI, and then probably one that's bonuses. So if you do decide to pick this up, make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com, and whatever bonuses I drop to go with this, I'll make sure you get those as well. I really want to make sure you get all the bonuses because we do bonuses for anything I ever promote. But you can find the link to Ebook Writer AI down in the description, and by the end of this video, you're going to see why you 100% should. So here you go. Here's the sales page. We're going to talk through the sales page a little bit, but I don't want to go too in depth because I'll do that in the review video. I do want to talk about it a little bit because it's going to give you an idea of how many things this can do. So the way I'm doing it is only a small part of how this strategy could work for you. There's a lot of different things you could do with this. So the intro video is like 1:44. So let's watch this and then it'll kind of give some context of where we're going.
This is Ebook Writer AI, your shortcut to creating real professional ebooks without having to write a single word yourself. Here's how it works. First, give your ebook a topic, a title, and a short description, something simple. A few words is all it takes to get started. Choose if you want images added automatically to your ebook. Want to monetize? Automatically add affiliate links based on keywords.
That part right there is a strategy that we're going to utilize in this video. I could make a dozen videos talking about how to monetize with this because we do this strategy. I just haven't had the software to do it 1,000 times faster. I'm so excited if you can't tell. I literally found this tonight, and this is going to be a game changer for us.
Keywords.
So excited.
Or drop in your own links manually later. Choose how many pages you want. 20, 50, even 100 plus. You're in control. Pick the AI model you want to use. GPT-40, Claude, Gemini, and others are all available. Select your audience, writing style, and language. Need a casual tone? Formal? Professional? Easy. Now choose your formatting options. Fonts, layout, spacing, and if you want an AI-generated cover image, just click once. Or up.
That's huge, by the way. I've done a little bit of KDP in the past, and the cover's always the pain. It's like, okay, this is the thing that's going to take me a while to make, and like even if there's some other shortcuts, it's just not worth that. The fact that this handles that as well is huge.
Load your own. Hit generate and let Ebook Writer AI take care of the rest. Your ebook is created page by page, complete with a table of contents, chapters, formatting, links, and images. And yes, you can edit anything before downloading. Change the title, rewrite a section, add images and links, whatever you want. Download your ebook and use it for Kindle, lead magnets,
Okay, surely we're not going to have buffering issues right here. Well, the concept, we got the gist of it, right? So you can go this direction. Like you can actually build out really nice looking books. You can do a little bit of keyword research. In fact, there's an upsell that it's like for 20 bucks, I think. Don't quote me on the upsell. But for like 20 bucks or something, it gives you keyword research to help you find little areas where there's not a lot of competition, and you can make really good quality books like this. It's a whole nother path. The path that I'm doing, because I've been doing a lot of launches for affiliate products anyways, what you can do with this software, as you saw him mention in the video, is I can actually add affiliate links in. I use the name of the product as what I'm promoting, and I use the sales page to help generate it. So he talks about this in a different section. Let's see. Let me just kind of walk through some of what you can see here. So premium AI content, the formatting, the image generation. The image generation is huge. Total control, so I can make all the edits in the back end. Adding affiliate links is huge. You could do this for lead magnets. You could have bonuses where you give away something that has your affiliate links in it. I mean, that opens so many doors that's written. That is done automatically, and I'll show you how here in a second. Multiple AI models. You can choose whichever one you want. So the clickable affiliate link, I mean, how cool is that? Here's a full demo, and I won't go through all this, but you can use the link down in the description to come see this full demo where he walks through it.
We're just going to do an instant ebook.
I do want to show a few parts to this. So you see up at the top where it says type, he has instant ebook, URL to ebook, and video to ebook. So you can pull from blogs, you can pull from YouTube videos. For example, one of the first things I thought of, Hormozy just did, Alex Hormozy, if you're not familiar, did a implementation video of the playbooks. I don't want to go into the whole thing because maybe you didn't see it, but basically it was a 4-hour thing where he went crazy in depth. You could pull that video into an ebook and get it all into a single ebook. It would kill. It'd be so good. Then you just have to find something to sell with it. But so many things you could do with this. Great for lead gen, great for sales funnel, great for order bumps. I mean, there's so many things. Email marketing, you could just do it as giveaways and as a giveaway with your affiliate links in it. Real testimonials. This is what's crazy is it's not a monthly fee. It is a one-time fee. So you can get, I mean, any of these you want. If you just want to test it out, you can go the little $17 one, which is, I mean, 100%. I paid $97 one time to get access to this for life because I'm going to crush it with this thing. How the systems work, so you can read that. So you can go, link in the description. It's going to have everything for you. If you decide to purchase, make sure to email me at info@jakethornhill.com so I can give you a bunch of free stuff just for using my link. I have to say that because people don't catch it every time. So here's how I'm doing it. I am going to a site. I'll pull it up on my other screen real quick. Called MunchEye. I'm going to pull this over. So here you see tons of different launches, affiliate launches, whatever, that are about to happen. You can see the websites, so Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, that's self-launched. I don't know, ClickBank. I don't think he's actually launching on ClickBank. I'm actually really excited for that promo because I'm buying that, but I'm also going to do some review content on it. A lot of these on JV Zoo, whatever. Just did one on this for Vibe Code Blueprint. So, but what you can do is, the example I'm about to show you is I just did this for OfferLab. You can tell it what the launch you're doing is. If there's already a sales page up, you can give it that URL so it can pull from that page, and then it creates an ebook for you. The ebook is created within 10 minutes. Not hard at all. Like there's very little information you have to enter in. Then you go to Amazon KDP, and there's a full video. I wish I would have pulled this up before. When you go to tutorials, I just want to show you where this is so you can, once you get into the ebook writer, go to the top right, click on tutorials, come down to the second to last one in this playlist right here, and watch this one. So I'm not going to walk you through exactly how to download it into KDP because in a 15-minute video, he shows you exactly how to do it, and it's crazy easy. They give you the file you need. They create the cover image for you. You literally don't have to do any work. And you can, so the way KDP works is you can upload 3 a day. So what if you took 3 launches that were coming up every single day and you made 3 ebooks for them? You can see the one we just made. What is OfferLab? So the real benefit of this is no one has made anything on OfferLab inside of Amazon KDP. So if anyone searches it, and what you can actually do is do a free download for a set period of time. Again, he covers it in this little tutorial video, so I'm not going to explain how to do all of that. You can see this one's still in review, but I'll offer it for free for like a week or 14 days or whatever, and people will come download it for free. Well, when they get it, let me show you. I'm going to grab this one right here. The Flipbook is actually really cool. I'm going to show it as a Flipbook. I could show it as a downloadable PDF. But this is one, if I wanted to give it out to people, this is how I would do it. I'm not going to show that. So let me do... Yes, I am, because I think this is really cool. We'll allow public access for a minute. Copy URL. Okay, so that's the cover it created. I'll turn the sound off. Let's see, turn that off. So here's the book, title page, table of contents, and then here you go. Now, first thing you notice, all of that blue, that is my affiliate link straight to OfferLab. So I'm getting prime real estate inside of Amazon KDP because who's made an ebook on OfferLab so far? It hasn't even officially launched yet. We're in pre-launch phase. So anyone who comes and downloads this for free is getting my affiliate link all through the book. Like, how crazy is that? So the way I did it was I did it on all my titles, and then I had like one call to action near the top of every chapter. And it's just crazy. I mean, let me actually show you what building it out looked like. We'll come here, go to campaigns. The research section is going to help you optimize for KDP. If I were to go here and do new campaign, I'm going to show you how little it asks. So if you wanted the ebook, if you want the short report, if you want the documents ebook, URL to ebook, video, right? Any of those things. So depending on the launch, ooh, this would be interesting too. If it's a launch that has a webinar, you could grab that webinar link and do a video to ebook, and that would be super powerful actually. That's actually not a bad idea at all. So you enter the topic, you enter a title, and you enter context. I literally went to ChatGPT and said, hey, what do you know about OfferLab? It spat out everything it knew. And then I said, okay, give me 5 to 10 sentences describing. I literally just copy and pasted this in, and that was done. All right. I should have changed my name. I shouldn't have used my name, but it's fine if you choose to. You click images, then you click use affiliate link. So you have I get rid of that. It's annoying. Okay, use affiliate link. So there's two things right here. This is a footer. So the footer is this button right down here. So I should have put click to join OfferLab, but I just put join OfferLab. I don't love that that's not hyperlinked. Like, it's not blue, so no one's ever going to really notice that. But you can put it there, and you might as well. Why not? I would put click to join here, but that's okay. So that's the first one, the footer affiliate link. But the next one is what I could do is enter a word. So I could enter the word OfferLab, and then every time the word OfferLab shows up in the entire book, I add the link. Now, to me, that's a bit much because it's in there a bunch. So what I did instead was I went into the editor. So I won't go out of this, but you go to where I was just a minute ago. I'll show you the editor in a second. Actually, I will show you that, but I want to finish going through this. So then you can choose how long you want the book to be. You can choose which model you want. I think I just took the recommended. Okay, all of that. So let me go back to the one I already did. We'll go, what did I push? View or edit? I think either one gets me to the same place. Edit book. And all I did was I went to chapter 1. I highlighted this, pushed that button, added my link. Scroll down to like 2 paragraphs in, added just a small call to action here. And I did this on every chapter. Link that, call to action. I can't believe I'm giving this away, by the way, because I know some of y'all are going to steal launch sales from me because I'm giving you this strategy, but it's unreal. You are putting something on Amazon with zero competition and the ability to make a lot of money on these launches. It is such low-hanging fruit that no one is doing because no one had access to this tool before. And even there were other tools out there doing similar things. They weren't as fast, and they didn't do the ebook for you, and they also didn't give you the version. So it gives you, what's it called? I'm going to forget the name of it. EPUB. It would give you like a PDF. You can't put a PDF straight into KDP. You need the EPUB version. So this actually gives me the EPUB version when I go down here to downloads. It gives me the PDF and the EPUB. This took me literally less than 10 minutes from idea to on KDP. Now it's in review, so I guess longer than that because I can't control the review time. But just think about how powerful this is. And so on KDP, you can do up to 3 of these per day. So what if like you just started destroying through this list of all the big launches? You don't think you would make sales on like at least a third of them? at least. It's such low hanging fruit. So anyways, I'm not even going to tell you all the ways I'm using this. I'm just going to tell you this one really, really cool way to do it. But there's actually, I will go over this. So the first video in his tutorial section, let me get some water real quick. If you can't tell, this is a very casual channel. My primary channel is, I would edit some of this stuff out, but we're just hanging out. Make sure to subscribe while you're here. On the first video of his tutorial, he goes through all the ways that this can be used. So you can actually make money with the ebooks. Obviously, you can sell them on Kindle like we've talked about, which I'm not even trying to make money selling them on Kindle. That's a whole different strategy, by the way. I'm making money handing them out for free on Kindle, and here's my affiliate link if you want to go do it. You can package them into bundles, offers digital bonuses. I might do that some. I have really high quality bonuses. I don't love giving out ebooks for bonuses. If I didn't already have, I have a library of 300 bonuses, and I create more every day. I create Chrome extensions. I do Loom strategy sessions with people. I do so much stuff when it comes to bonuses. If I didn't have a massive amount already, I would use this. You can sell, oh, that's actually a good idea. Selling PLR versions is a really good idea. You can use the low cost tripwire in a sales funnel, so like a front end. I'll tell you what, someone's going to crush with this idea. So I briefly thought about this. I just don't have the time. I'm launching my coaching program to the public in like the next, hopefully, week or so. So I just don't have the time to do everything I would ever love to do. But what you can do, if you haven't already heard about this software called OfferLab, I've done like 15 videos on this thing. You should have heard of it by now. There is a software called OfferLab, really cool software. And because they're currently in pre-launch, the webinar to officially launch it is September 3rd. What I would do if I didn't already have a dozen things I was doing in place is I would come in here and I would make $5 tripwire books. So I would basically go into every niche on OfferLab and start cranking out $5 ebooks. And what I would do is these people, so the way OfferLab works is, sorry, I don't want to go too deep into this because it's a whole separate video. It's built for creators and built for affiliates. But for affiliates, they're building their own funnel out of multiple people's products. So maybe they have a back-end product, maybe they have like a middle ticket, $500 product, but maybe they need a really good front-end offer. So what you can do is create a really good front-end offer for them using this, sell it for $5, and create dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of these things to go into every niche. So when someone comes here and they start to build their funnel and they're like, man, what's the first thing in my funnel going to be? They find your ebook and go, oh, it's only $5. People will buy that. They'll eat it up. They'll love it. Awesome. Looks great. And now every time an affiliate goes and promotes your ebook, you're making money from it. So I particularly like this strategy right now because OfferLab is so new and there's not a ton of products on it yet. This is going to increase every single day at this point, but it's such a good opportunity right now before this gets massive. So there's a little cheat code for you. It would absolutely make money. And once you make them, the affiliates are the ones who are going to be selling them, and then you split the profit with them. Definitely give them 50% commission, by the way. You could even go higher than that, and that's not the worst idea. If you're putting affiliate links, I'll actually change that. If you're putting affiliate links in these books, I would almost give affiliates 100%. Like, let the affiliates give it out, and you're going to make, because it'll be more tempting for them to want to sell it because they get 100% profit. And then you are going to have affiliate links in those books. That's going to drive sales for you. Anyways, a couple ways to think about it. If you do decide to get OfferLab, I'll try to remember to put the link in the description of this video because I have a crazy bonus package for OfferLab. You get 5 awesome bonuses for signing up 100% for free. And then if you decide to get their upsell, there's some really good bonuses there too. And then if you end up using the platform and making money on the platform, I have training bonuses for those people who actually make money on the platform too. I gave away so much stuff for this. So I'll try to remember to put that link in the description. If I don't, you can go to any of my videos about OfferLab, and the link will be at the top of the description there. But the main link you're going to see in this one is for the ebook writer AI. Make sure to pick it up. I think they are going to a subscription model, and you can get it at a one-time fee of $97 for the best version. Like, I don't know why you would ever not do that. I would put money on the fact that my first ebook makes that back. Almost guaranteed. So anyways, I thought this was going to be a fun video. I really had no intention of shooting tonight, but I was over at my other computer, and the second I hit publish on the first ebook, I'm like, I've got to make a video on this. Like, this was crazy. This was so cool. And the rate we're going to be able to pump these out, I'm just going to be pissed if I see one of y'all on there and you're my competition because I gave it to you. But such is life. If you decide to do that, make sure at least to use my link so you can get my bonuses and subscribe. In that case, I'll call us even. All right. So make sure to subscribe. I got a lot of great videos coming up. A lot of stuff I'm really excited to share. This is the kind of stuff that every video won't apply to you because a lot of my videos are reviews. A lot of them are bonus packs. But I like just sharing little tidbits of like strategies that you haven't thought about. Or maybe from this video, you love the software and you're like, but I want to do it this other way. Or hopefully I gave you an idea of how you can use it specifically for your business. So I was excited about it. And when I'm excited, I always want to share it with you guys. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.